Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my online class. How are you? I hope you all are safe and well. I am also well. Today, once again, I am with you, Mahim Sultana, Assistant Teacher, Noga Government Girls High School. And it's English second paper class of class 9 and 10. As you know that our previous class was on the subject matter of the grammar item transformation of sentences or changing sentences. Today it's third part, that means changing sentences or transformation of sentences, part 3. I am going to discuss with you some more more rules of transformation of sentences. In our two previous classes, I have discussed with you about affirmative to negative, the rules of affirmative to negative, and assertive to interrogative. Today I am going to present before you some more rules of assertive to interrogative. Today's first rule is to change without auxiliary verb added assertive sentence into negative, and the sentence must be in present indefinite tense. Now I hope you understood what is without auxiliary verb added assertive sentence. Yet I am going to give you an example, that is, he plays football. Notice that in this sentence there is no auxiliary verb. So what will you do to change this sentence into interrogative? So the structure will be don't or doesn't plus subject plus verb plus rest of the sentence plus note of interrogation. We have to take don't or doesn't if there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence. So the assertive sentence is he plays football, and interrogative of this sentence, doesn't he play football? Another example, they play football. Interrogative, don't they play football? Notice one thing, that these two sentences are in present indefinite tense. So we take don't or doesn't to make it interrogative. Now another thing, that is, if the sentence is in past indefinite tense, then what will be the form of changing it into interrogative? If the sentence is in past indefinite, then the structure will be didn't plus subject plus verb plus rest of the sentence plus auxiliary verb. Okay, so to change without auxiliary verb added assertive sentence into interrogative in past indefinite tense, we have to maintain this structure. We can take an example. Karim liked the late spring. Didn't Karim like the late spring? They didn't play football yesterday. Did they play football yesterday? Another noticeable thing here is in interrogative form, the main verb will be in present tense, because you know when we take auxiliary verb as past, then the main verb will be in present form. Okay. Now the next rule, that is to change never added assertive to interrogative. If you have to change never added assertive to interrogative, then ever is replaced in the place of never and anything is replaced in the place of nothing. You can see on this screen I have written down the rules. Now I am giving two examples. I never drink tea. Interrogative, do I ever drink tea? Notice that ever is replaced in the place of never. Another example, there was nothing to do. Was there anything to do? In this sentence also, anything is replaced in the place of nothing. Okay. So if you get these kinds of assertive sentence, then maintain these rules to change it into interrogative. Now today's 3-number rule, that is to change everybody, everyone, all added assertive to interrogative. Everybody, everyone and all added assertive to interrogative. What will be the structure? The structure will be who plus doesn't or didn't plus verb plus rest of the sentence plus note of exclamation. Note of interrogation. Okay. We can take example. Everybody wishes to be happy. Interrogative, who does not wish to be happy? Another example, everyone hates a liar. Who does not hate a liar? So if you get everybody, everyone or all added interrogative sentence, then you have to maintain this rule. Now the next rule, that is to change every plus noun added assertive to interrogative. In this case, you have to take is there any. The structure will be is there any plus noun after the after every plus who doesn't plus verb plus rest of the sentence plus note of interrogation. We can take example, everyone hates war. Interrogative, is there any man who does not hate war? Every man must die. Is there any man who will not die? In the example number 2, there is a noticeable thing that you have to remember. If this kind of sentence you get and in which there is a must, that we get in example number 2, that is every man must die. In this sentence we get a must, and for this must we have to take a will not in the interrogative sentence. Okay, this is an exceptional case, so you have to remember this. If you get must added sentence, this kind of sentence, if you get what I am trying to understand you, that is if you get this kind of sentence, that means every plus noun added sentence, and if you get must in that sentence, then you have to take a will not in the interrogative sentence. Okay, this is an exceptional rule for this kinds of sentence, not for all the sentences. Rest of the sentence will be the same as like the structure as I told before. Okay, hope you understood. And now the next rule, to change nobody, none, no one added assertive to interrogative. The structure will be who plus rest of the sentence plus note of interrogation. Very simple. Just add or replace who in the place of nobody, none or no one. Okay, we can take example, then it will be more clear to us. Nobody could ever count my love for you. Interrogative, who could ever count my love for you? Or there is another rule, could anybody ever count my love for you? Okay, so very simple, we just replaced who in the place of nobody or none or no one, and it is changed into interrogative. And here is more one example I am giving you. You can see on the screen, no one can do this. This sentence is on no one. This sentence has no one, and the previous example we took, that was nobody added, and this example is no one added. Okay, no one can do this. Interrogative, who can do this? Very simple. And another rule, can anyone do this? This is also correct. So I hope you understood. Now another rules, to change introductory there added assertive to interrogative. You know what is introductory there? The sentences that starts with there, that is called introductory there. If you get these kinds of sentence, then what will be the structure to change it into interrogative? The structure will be who or what plus rest of the sentence plus note of interrogation. Very simple. So the example is, there is no use of this law. Interrogative, what is the use of this law? And another example, is there any use of this law? This is another rules. You can do it also, but the more easy rule is just replace what in the place of there, and it is done. And here are some more examples I am giving you. You can see on the screen, that is, friendship is nothing but a name. These examples are on the same rule of introductory there. You have to replace just replace what in the place of the subject, that is in this sentence friendship. Okay, and the sentence is turned into interrogative. So the example, friendship is nothing but a name. Interrogative, what is friendship but a name? Another example or another rules, isn't friendship but a name? And the next example, life is nothing but full of actions. Interrogative, what is life but full of actions? And another rules, isn't life but full of actions? Okay, hope you understood. This is very easy and very simple, just like the rules that we saw a little bit before, that is introductory there added rules. And like the rules, you have to just replace what, and you have to place what in the place of replace what in the place of the subject. We see here two examples, that is one is friendship is nothing but a name, and another is life is nothing but full of actions. In these two examples you can see that if we replace what in the place of friendship and life, then it is turned into interrogative. So now the next rule is to change it is no use added assertive to interrogative. The structure will be why plus present form of verb plus rest of the sentence plus note of interrogation. We can take an example. It is no use memorizing answer for any examination. Interrogative: is there any use of memorizing answer for any examination? And another example, another rules, why memorize answer for any examination. Okay, so you have to just replace why in the place of it is no use. And now the next rule, and this is the last rule of these kinds of transformation, that is assertive to interrogative. And the rules is to change it does not matter added assertive to interrogative. It does not matter added assertive to interrogative. You can see that I have mentioned it in the inverted comma. It does not matter added assertive to interrogative. What will you do? What though plus rest of the sentence plus note of interrogation. So in the place of it does not matter, you have to replace what though. We can take an example. It does not matter if you lost the game. Interrogative: what though if you lost the game? If you lost the game. What though if you lost the game? It does not matter if you lost the game. What though if you lost the here will be game. I have written matter. Okay, no problem, it will be game. So this was our last rule of discussion, and this is the last rule of assertive to interrogative also. In our next class we will discuss about another item of changing sentences, that may be assertive to interrogative or assertive to exclamatory, what may be another subject or another topic. I'll try to discuss with you. And now it's time to say goodbye to you. Please keep practicing on grammar, because I have told you in my previous class also, and I am always telling it, that the more you practice grammar, it will be more easier to you. Okay, it will be easier to you. The more you practice it, it will be easier to you. And it's time to say goodbye, and I am uttering the same words after my every class. Everybody stay safe, stay home, and please maintain the rules of health, maintain social distance, because we are not out of danger of the pandemic situation. Still we are in it may call what is critical situation about the pandemic, that is COVID-19. And I hope you all are maintaining the rules of health, and stay yourself safe, stay your family members, try to keep your family members safe also. And no more today, I'm praying for you. You also pray for me, for my safeness. Goodbye everybody.